explanation why Apache server is required. What is the purpose of Apache server? So I will explain here how to install Apache server and give where here I will also explain brief introduction about Apache server. Why Apache server is required? Apache server is a web server software, a web server software that is responsible for accepting HTTP requests from visitor and sending them back the request information in the form of web pages. Or simple term, you can say it's allow visitor to view content on your website. And why Apache server is required? What is the reason? Apache Server is open source software. It is reliable and scalable and stable, and it is also manage large number of traffic. And so that's the reason we are using Apache Server. Apache Server is able to manage large number of traffic, and its security is very amazing, and its security is scalable and so, if you're looking for reliable, scalable, and extensible web server, Apache is the great choice. So, you can go with Apache server. So, in this session, I will install Apache server in CentOS 7 server. So, as you aware about CentOS 7, we need to use yum command, or CentOS 8, we need to use DNF command for installation. First, before install Apache server, you need to update your web server. You need to update your CentOS server or Red Hat server, or and update and upgrade the server, Linux server. So, as you are aware about the updation command is yum update -y, which I -y is stand for yes. So you want yum update and yum upgrade. Once upgrade and upgradation is done, you can go for Apache installation. Apache installation command is sudo yum install http. Because I am sudo user, we don't need to use sudo. Because I'm root user, we don't need to use sudo, but I'm applying here sudo command. So yum install http d. So here, as you can check here, once I have applied installation, so here installation is completed, which httpd server which I am having Apache server 2.4.6, which I am having currently installed this Apache server. Once Apache server installed, we need to enable the Apache server. So Apache enable server is system systemctl enable httpd or http service. You can use both of them. So once you have enabled the Apache server, you need to start Apache server. Apache server start command is systemctl start httpd or httpd services. Once you have start Apache services, you can check over here active session of Apache server. This is the active session of Apache server. There is no any kind of error in this block, in this screenshot. So Apache server is completely fine and running perfectly. Perfect. So once the Apache server is started, or you want to restart, you want to enable, you want to check the status, you can use systemctl status HTTP service, and you can whatever IP address you have used, you can type on browser and check the status of web server status, Apache web server status on browser. So as you can check over here, my Apache server web status is okay and running perfectly. And if you are using custom domain, you can also check on your custom domain. So here I am using public domain. You can check over here. Once installation done, I am getting this page, Apache server page. This is the simple process to install Apache server. Guys, if you are having any kind of doubts, you can below the comment. Thanks for watching.